Hey guys, so our last camping trip, I had something interesting happen. We were cooking and I had forgotten the vent on the roof open in the bathroom. So while I let all the smoke out and everything. And then later that day, it started raining like crazy. Power went out and everything. And when I went into the bathroom later, I saw all the water on the ground and I freaked out. I thought we had a leak or something, but it was just that we had left this vent open. So I went ahead and I purchased these vent covers from Campco on Amazon. I think this was about 45 bucks or so. I'll include the link below. But I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. Well, there you have it. I installed it. It wasn't that difficult. Definitely for the next one, because it's dark now. I lost my daylight because I waited too long watching TV with Lolly. But definitely for the next one, make sure you have enough time so it doesn't get dark on you. And a socket wrench would probably be a little bit, make things a little easier for you. All right, that's it from Cruising with Georgie. I guess this will help keep the rain out if I forget the vent again. See you on the road.